Hey there guys, welcome back again. Today we are going to look at how to create an AWS account. Free tier account. So let's look at how to create it. First of all, you have to go to this website, aws.amazon.com, and then click on create a AWS account. It will ask you like this. First, verify the email address. So I'll just enter some random email address. I already have an account. So, okay, this is also my account. Don't get it wrong, okay? Okay, now let's verify our email address. So I'm verifying my email address. It has done. Now create a root password. I'm creating my root password. Okay. Next, security check. Now next, the captcha has been verified. Now here you have to quickly go and fill all the details. So here you have to select personal if you are creating for personal. If you are in a company or work for an organization, then you have to go for the business. For this, the organization or company will pay the amount for that. I am not sure which you will have to pay. Okay. So after filling the details, click on next step. Now here is the tricky process. So here you have to add your debit card. The amount will not be deducted. Okay. The amount will not be deducted from your account, but you definitely have to have one of these cards to be added. Either it's debit card or credit card. Some of the RuPay debit cards might not be, might not accept that. So try this once. If it does not work, then use someone your family members, or else just don't do it. It won't happen for you. You have to go it another way. I will find out another way of creating an AWS account without the debit card of your own. Maybe we'll try it. If it works, we'll see. Or else, okay, first try this. If it is successful, then go for that. So now let's add the details. Okay, I'll just add the details and fast forward it. Now, so I'm adding my details. Just wait for some time. So okay, I have added my details. The amount has been deducted from my bank. Like the amount has 2 rupees to 3 rupees. It will deduct from your bank account. Depending on your region, it might change. But in India, it will only deduct 2 rupees per a free tier account. Okay, and that will be credited back into your account later on. Okay. So now let's go with the details again. I'm going to choose this name only, and registration. Let's go with personal use. Ownership type, individual. Okay, now you have to add your details, PAN, permanent account number, or any of the details that you have here. Okay, now I have filled the details. Now let's click on continue. Let's see if it works or not. Here it is asking to fill your phone number. Just do it. Okay. Okay, it's finally done. We are in this final panel. Okay, now you have to select which one you want. Come on, it's easier, right? We are selecting this one, so you can go with this side too, I think. But nah, man, we are looking at a free tier. Okay, let's go with complete sign up. Finally, our account has been created. Now all you have to do is go to your console and check if any of the services are working or not. Okay, first of all, you have to log in, right? Okay, I have successfully logged into my AWS console, which the account I have created right now. So let's look at it. Can I skip this part? Okay, now let's go. Let's see for services. Okay. So yeah, I just checked out one of the services. It's working, so that means the account has been created. So if you are having any trouble with the account creation, you can just mention in the comment section below. I'll see what I can do for it, or else you can directly DM me in my personal Instagram account. Not personal. I mean this particular Instagram account, which is there in the description right down. Okay. So that being said, thank you for watching the video. I hope this video has helped you a lot. So I'll be seeing you guys next video. Until then, bye bye.